I've helped over 1,400 people ditch their 9 to 5s by getting their income from digital products and services. But let's be real, this business can be tough, and a lot of people quit before they even see success. But what if I told you that you could actually turn a simple $7 product into a 6-figure income? In this video, I'm going to show you how to find a market and sell your first digital product in just 24 hours. That way, you can go from living paycheck to paycheck to raking in 4 or even 5 figures every single month with digital products. Most importantly, I'll tell you what digital product you should be selling right now to get out of your current job as fast as possible. Plus, if you hang out to the end, I'll even show you how to get your first 50,000 visitors to your digital product so you can start making money today. So let's jump in. Meet Gia. Just a few weeks ago, Gia launched her very first digital product, and within days, she pulled in over $2,000. How'd she do it? Well, she didn't create it from scratch. Instead, she just slapped her brand on a PLR, private label rights product that was already a proven seller, and she rode that wave of success. The rest, as they say, is history. And it's not just Gia. Hundreds, even thousands of others are using PLR products to make serious money each month. But here's the thing, just having a PLR product is one thing, but having a profitable one is totally different. Even if you have a profitable PLR product, you still got to know how to sell it. And don't worry, I'm going to show you how to do just that and more in this video, so stick with me. So what exactly are PLR products, and how do you find the ones that are actually making money? PLR products are digital products someone else created, and over 90% of the work is already done for you. They come with all the content, formatting, and graphics, usually in templates you can easily tweak and resell as your own, keeping all 100% of the profits. They're a game changer for beginners and save you a ton of time and research. But where can you find them? Well, lucky for you, you don't even have to look. I'm going to give you access to one of my best-selling products right here in this video. It's a $7 product called my viral $7 sales funnel. This is the exact same digital product that's helped me and people like Gia make 4, even 5 figures every single month. But the crazy part is we didn't even create this product ourselves, and we don't even sell it. We literally give it away for free in exchange for email addresses. Now, I know what you're thinking. If we give this product away for free, how do we make money? 2 ways, email and sales funnels. Even though some people think email is dead, it's not going anywhere anytime soon. Every smart business collects emails. Why? Because email is about 40 times more effective at getting new customers than Facebook and Twitter combined. The average email gets opened about 2.5% of the time, while social media posts only get clicked about 0.9% of the time. This means someone is way more likely to open and read your email than click on your Facebook video. And every open email boosts your chance of making a sale. The second way is sales funnels. A sales funnel is basically the journey you take a potential customer on until they buy something. For example, the second someone signs up to get Digital Profit Mastery, my free lead magnet, which shows you how to master digital profit without all the trial and error, they get sent to a super affordable digital product. This $7 low-cost digital product comes with 2 lead magnet courses you can resell because they come with master resale rights and PLR rights, a one-click install funnel, and proven email templates, all for a one-time payment of just $7. But it doesn't just stop there. The only thing better than $7 is $27. When they're checking out, the customer has a chance to add another digital product onto their order for just $27. And these are called order bumps. Think of order bumps like those impulse buys at the grocery store. The chips, drinks, and batteries you see while you're waiting in line. Order bumps can seriously boost your sales. But wait, there's even more. The only thing better than $27 is $37. After a customer checks out, they're then sent to a sales page just like the first one. Upsells are basically higher priced versions of what the customer already has in their cart. They're usually just upgraded versions of their purchase, like adding an audio version or video tutorials if they're selling an ebook or something like that. The cool thing is they can add this upsell to their order with just one click. So they don't even have to re-enter their credit card info over and over, which makes it super easy. Plus, it's always a good idea to offer a really sweet discount. On my sales pages, you can see you can go from paying $297 to just $37, but only if they act now. This makes the offer totally irresistible and removes any price concerns. The best part about all this is that it's all set up automatically using workflows and emails in my funnel building software. So, what's this funnel building software? And even better, what's the digital product we sell that brings in 4 or even 5 figures every single month? Well, the free digital product, as I said, is called Digital Profit Mastery. But the real money maker is the 1K profit funnel. The first 1K profit funnel is that $7 low-cost offer I mentioned earlier in this video. And the upsell is one-on-one Facebook Messenger support that all customers get for 1 month. The software I use to sell this digital product and the upsell is called System.io. Now, I'm going to hook you up with the entire sales funnel, complete with all the automated order bumps and upsell pages. I'll also give you all the email templates and automations. All of this can be imported into your free System.io account with just one click. I'll also show you how to set all of this up in my virtual workshop where you can watch me build it in real time and ask me any questions so you don't get stuck. If you want access to this ready-made, proven, and profitable $7 digital product that's turning beginners with 0 sales into high-earning entrepreneurs ready to quit their 9-to-5 jobs, then comment digital products in the comment section below this video and I'll drop the link for you. And for you serious action takers, you can also find the link down below this video in the YouTube description and also in the pinned comment section. So let's quickly sum up how you can create digital products that sell. Number 1, don't create it from scratch, especially if you're not tech savvy. Why? Because you don't need to, nor do you have to. And most times I don't suggest it, especially if you're just starting out. Instead, use a PLR product that's already done for you and already proven to sell. 2, how do you market it? Don't directly market the product itself up front. Instead, offer a freebie that solves an immediate problem or promises the customer the result they want. In this case, I use Digital Profit Mastery, which is a freebie we give away for their email address. And 3, how do you sell a digital product? Well, definitely use a sales funnel. This way you can add order bumps and upsells to boost how much people spend, but make sure it all makes sense with what you're offering. And for anyone who doesn't buy right away, use automated emails to follow up. This way, you can still turn those leads into customers later through email. Sometimes they just need a little bit more time. And my guy, you're going to make a lot of money doing this. So, now that you know how to find and market and sell a digital product, your next question might be, hey Ronnie, how do I get good traffic? Well, that's why you want to watch the video popping up on your screen now, where I show you how to get 50,000 visitors to your digital product so you can start making money the same day. Because once you master what you learn in this video, or what you're going to learn in the next video, it's going to make you way more powerful. Until then, stay blessed, and I'll see you on the other side of success or the next video, whichever comes first. I'm out.